No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
As you would have noticed in the title, we have the hashtag in season. So whatever is in season. Yo, I live in Canada. I don't live in the Caribbean anymore. However, when I travel to the Caribbean in different places and different things are in season, you will see those recipes right here. Whatever's in season. Strawberries. Went strawberry picking, so you're going to see maybe 3 or 4 strawberry recipes coming up. Since this is not a Caribbean recipe in any form or shape, it won't show up on CaribbeanPot.com. But again, I call Canada home, thus in season, and this is what's local to me. We are doing a strawberries lemonade, but we're doing it a little bit different. I want more flavors, that Canadian flavor in here, that North American flavor. So I've got apple cider as well, not apple cider vinegar, but the sweet apple cider. And here we go. What we have is about 3/4 pounds of strawberry, 5 lemons, 3 cups of apple cider. We'll need in total 6 cups of water, but this is 1 cup of warm water and 1 cup of raw cane sugar. And what I'm going to do is to make a blend or puree. So all of those strawberries, they've been washed and chopped up. The sugar, and you can cut back on the sugar, you know, and any sweetener you want to use is totally up to you. And the sort of warm water, not hot but warm, it's going to help the sugar to melt. All you need to do is puree this now until it's smooth. Next up, we're going to strain it just to get any sort of, if you want pulp, you can certainly, just look at that lovely color we got going on down there. If you want pulp, you don't need to strain it, but I want this strained. Yeah, I'm just gonna work my spoon in here. You can use a spatula. Just keep working it and it'll go down until we've got, because sometimes you may get that sort of seed texture from the outside of the strawberry. I don't really want that in here. Just gonna whisk in the fresh lemon juice in there. And the whole idea here is the sort of balanced flavor. So this is why I'm not overdoing it on any one. The 3 main flavors here, the strawberry, lemon juice, and the apple cider. Speaking of apple cider, that's going to make an appearance in there now. And all we want to do is add 5 cups of water to this. You would stir it around really good. So there goes that water. Yeah, quite a bit. We're going to stir that around just to make sure all those flavors come together. Typically, I would hit that with a few drops of Angostura bitters or some vanilla extract, but this time I'm leaving this as it is. You will need to taste it. If we could just move the froth over, you'll see the brilliant color that I have here. Yeah, so we can get all of that foam out. Really isn't necessary, but madness, pure mad. This is proper things, boy. You will just do so and store that in your fridge, chill it down. Let's say if you want to sweeten it, like over sweeten it, if you're adding, I just wish I can get the color to show you all. If you're adding ice, you may want to go a little bit heavier on the sugar, totally up to you. And again, you can sweeten it with whatever you desire. Keep in mind the apple cider that we added in here will have a sweetness, that natural apple sweetness to it. And again, play around with it. If you want to add a little Angostura bitters, a little mixed essence, whatever it is, you can do so, yeah? But look at that. It's beautiful. In season strawberries, look at them. They're right here, They're right here. Freshly picked.